Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see Term 3 Unit 1 Geometry. In this unit we are going to learn about iterative patterns. Iterative patterns in shapes. What is iterative? Iteration is the repeated application of a process. Whatever the process we are taken, if we are repeated the same application, then it is called iteration. When we repeat the shapes in a certain order, then that pattern is called the iterative pattern. Iterative patterns using circle, spiral and oval. Here we are going to see the iterative patterns using circle, spiral and oval shapes. First we will see what is the difference in these three shapes: circle, spiral, oval. See here, the difference in these three shapes is circle is a closed figure and it is 2D shape. Circle having every portion of the surface equally distant from the center. A spiral is a special curve in mathematics. This curve starts at one point and then goes around the point, but gets farther and farther away from it. Oval is also a closed shape having the figure of an egg. We can say oval is a squashed circle. Okay? Some visual examples for shaped patterns. Now we are going to see few of the visual examples which are in our surroundings. For example, flower. Flower is the example for oval shaped pattern. See here, all the petals of this flower was looking like a oval shape. So flower is the example for oval shaped pattern. Shell of a snail. It is example for spiral shaped pattern. Seashell. When you observe the seashell, it looks like a spiral shape. So, it is also example for spiral shaped pattern. Next one, bangles. Bangles is the visual example for circular shaped patterns. Next, leaves. Leaves also follow the same iterative patterns with different shapes. Rangoli. It also follows some shaped patterns in a repeated manner. So these type of rangoli is also example for iterative shaped patterns. Exercise 1.1. Write the shapes of the patterns present in the pictures given below. Now see the first picture. When we observe the first picture, it has spiral pattern. So you have to write the shape name as spiral. Now in second picture, when we observe the second picture, it has different patterns with two shapes. The two shapes are circle and oval. So you have to write the shape pattern name as circle and oval. Complete the patterns given below. Now see the first one. In this pattern, it follows two shapes, that is circular shape and spiral shape. See here, circle, spiral, circle, spiral, circle, spiral. So it is a repeated pattern with two shapes. So once the spiral shape is over, we have to draw again circle shape. Once the circle is over, we have to draw spiral shape. Okay. Now see the second one. In this second pattern, it follows two types of pattern. See here, oval shape follows the repeated pattern and the circle shape follows the growing pattern. See here, first we have one oval shape and one circle shape. Next we have one oval shape, two circle shapes. Again we have one oval shape and three circle shapes. So to complete this pattern, we have to repeat the oval shape and we have to increase the count of circle shapes. So draw the one oval shape and four circle shapes. Now see the third pattern. It follows the repeated pattern with a single shape with different colors. So first we have red color circle, then next green color circle, next red color circle, next green color circle. Green color circle is followed by red color circle. To complete this pattern, after the red color circle, we have to draw green color circle. Next, red color circle. Fourth pattern. In this we have standing oval and one sleeping oval. Standing oval and sleeping oval. Again standing oval. It is also repeated pattern with a single shape. To complete this one, we have to follow the same pattern. So once the standing oval is over, next we have to draw sleeping oval. Again standing oval. Draw simple rangoli. Use your own creativity to fill them. Here you have to draw any rangoli by using the basic shapes, and with your own creativity you can fill them with different colors. For example, first I took one circle and around the circle I took oval shape and filled with different colors. See how simple to create the rangoli. And you also try to draw the rangoli by using the simple shapes and fill it with different colors. Okay? Hope you understand the unit 1 geometry. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, friends. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe for my channel.